Hello, my name is Frank McKenna, and I'm the Chief Fraud Strategist of AI company Point Predictive, the company that is helping lenders automate their fraud and risk decisions with powerful consortium data and solutions to detect both first and third-party fraud. I am so excited to share with you something that I think will change the way that auto lenders manage their fraud risk. It's called Case Manager, and it's a platform that enables lenders to manage their fraud across the entire life cycle, from origination to funding to servicing. We designed Case Manager's elegant user interface to make it point-and-click simple for you to manage every facet of fraud management in your organization. I want to share with you 10 great things that Case Manager will give you so you can see just how powerful this system is. Number one, let's start with the powerful reporting capability that you receive out of the box. With Case Manager, we provide the industry's most comprehensive fraud reporting package delivered with customizable widgets that help you see your entire fraud operations at a glance, whether that's from productivity reporting to trend reporting based on fraud type and just about any other metric that you want to track. And number two, the ability to manage your cases centrally from a single location and from a single sign-on. With Case Manager, we give you the capability to manage and prioritize all of your cases from a central location. Investigators and analysts work cases prioritized for them based upon the urgency of that case. And the number three great thing is the ability for fraud investigators to get all of their risk information on a single screen. We know that the most time-consuming part of any fraud review or investigation is the need to toggle between different systems. That's why we created a comprehensive risk review screen so that investigators and analysts can work cases on a single screen. That includes any score from Point Predictive and all of the alerts at their fingertips. And when they have completed their review, they can simply click a button and report whether they located any fraud on the loan or the account or not. Everything they notate is saved, and they can even attach documents related to their review for safekeeping. And number four, the ability to receive and integrate any score into the risk review process. With Case Manager, your organization has the ability to integrate other scores and important risk elements through the customizable widgets we provide. Point Predictive can incorporate APIs into the Case Manager so you can pull in critical information from other solution vendors that you may work with. And number five, the ability to write any rule to create new cases for review or to send stipulations or messages back to the loan origination system. Now, we know that most auto lenders want the ability to write sophisticated rules without needing to make requests to the ID department to make those changes for them. With Case Manager, we solve that. We put the power into the hands of the fraud, analyst, or underwriting department to write very sophisticated rules without writing a single line of code. Our simple point-and-click interface gives you the ability to write any rule you want on just about every piece of information from the application or your fraud alerting systems, including Point Predictive data elements. And number six, the ability to create queues for investigators to prioritize their work the way you want to. Now we know to be effective, you want to route cases to the right investigator at the right time to look at those specific loans or those accounts. With our powerful queuing editor, you can organize your cases by suspected fraud type, by rule, or by something that triggered out of the loan origination system so the right person can review the account at the right time. And the number seven great thing is the ability to instantly add information to your watch list and manage those watch lists from a central location. Now we know watch lists are extremely important in preventing recurring fraud attempts from getting through your controls. They also help you prevent fraud rings that reuse the same information over and over again to defraud you. With Case Manager, we give the investigator or the analyst the capability to instantly add elements to the watch list as they're investigating cases. We also give the ability to control which elements are matched against as new loans are submitted to the system. And number eight, the ability to find patterns of fraud across loans. Fraud rings may account for up to 20% of the fraud that auto lenders experience. So we wanted to give lenders the ability to quickly hunt down common information that fraudsters are using across many loans. With our filtering capability, you can narrow down fraud patterns by searching through phone numbers, employer name, fraud scores, and many other elements that can help you narrow down when there are many loans impacted by the same falsified information. And number 9, the ability to download any reporting information to your desktop. Now, when we talk to auto lenders, they often indicate how they don't have information on fraud to download in a timely manner about their fraud performance or understanding things like their analyst productivity. With Case Manager, we have built in powerful reporting capability, which allows you to filter and download any information to your desktop so that you can analyze that data or use in presentations to other key stakeholders. The reporting also comes with the ability to create and save new reports so you can reuse those reports each week or month. And number 10, the ability to control who has access to Case Manager and what they can do. Naturally, lenders want to control just about every aspect of access to the Case Manager system, and we provide all of that access in an elegant interface. The administration panel gives our lender the ability to add, modify, or configure many elements of the Case Manager so that it gives you a level of configurability that fits your organization's needs. Now, I'm really excited about our Case Manager, and I hope you are too. Our Case Manager was designed by fraud experts and engineers to give you the most modern, configurable, and extensive control over fraud. I do firmly believe this will fundamentally change the way you look at fraud and how you manage it. If you'd like to schedule a session with me to understand the functionality we offer, I'd love the chance for the team here at Point Predictive to show you what it can do for you. Thank you and have a great day.